Well, now, certainly chapters 9 to 11 are different from the others. The word Israel starts being used with chapter 9 and is used right through those 3 chapters, as we call them. So Paul is dealing with a specific subject. Furthermore, he starts quoting the Old Testament very freely with chapter 9. And indeed, there are 37 different quotations from the Jewish scriptures in those 3 chapters. And many Christians have quite wrongly assumed, those 3 chapters are for Jews, quoting their scriptures. Actually, when you read them carefully, all 3 chapters are not written to Jews. They are all written to Gentile believers. They're for us.